Hey weirdos, welcome back. I've got a fun video for you. Wait until you see what I have. Oh my gosh, I'm like still shooketh. Okay, so this is going to be a full video of first impressions. I've got 3 new products that I've never used before that you're going to see me use for the very first time. First of which is dip from a company called 2 Chicks, 1 Dip. They reached out to me, wanted me to try some of their stuff. They sent over 2 colors. I'm going to use one today, this gorgeous red. I'm going to use, you've seen that already. But I've got some nail wraps from Kozmik Nails. Wait until you see. I was in awe. They're all so beautiful, but she surprised me. I had no idea this was coming. As you guys know, I'm a cat mom. I have 5 fur babies, and she decided to make me some custom decals. Can you even? Those are my cats. Those are literally my cats on decals. Christy, I still am speechless. I have no words, but I love your whole entire face. Thank you so much for putting my cats on my nails. And I'm gonna. There were so many gorgeous wraps, and I knew I wanted to do something Christmas. So happy I had this red to work with. I had to put my cat on my nails. You're gonna see the whole thing shake out later on, but first we dip. So I'm going in with my iGel Beauty base, my gel base. You guys have seen me do this a million times, and I'm gonna get in with this gorgeous red flaky dip. I'm gonna do pour overs for this. With flaky dips like this, I tend to like a more sporadic flaky, so that's what you're going to see me do, and I have no complaints. This dip powder was beautifully pigmented. The shade is gorgeous. The flakies are beautiful. I have nothing bad to say. 2 Chicks, 1 Dip. Nailed this dip powder. Absolutely gorgeous, especially for Christmas. So I'm sticking with my normal application for dips like this. I am very gently patting down any flakies that might be sticking up, although they brush off really easily after I cure, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cure the first coat for a full 60 seconds. Make sure that is set. I'm going to brush off excess, and then I'm going to repeat. So I do have a discount code for Kozmik Nails. It's Marla10. You can go ahead and use that if you want to pick some stuff up, but she is sponsoring a giveaway. If you want to be entered to win a 6-pack of your choice nail wraps, these are water slide decals. Be subscribed to the channel, like the video, comment down below on the best way to reach you, leave your Insta handle, your email address, Facebook name if you're in the Facebook group. That's super easy for me. And you could win your own custom nail wraps with your kitties or your puppies or your children, or I don't know, your favorite houseplant, CJ, on your nails. So enter if you want to win. So here's what I'm doing. That did come with instructions for the nail wraps. I cut out the little kitty. I'm using Negan, my OG cat, my first cat. She's going on my nail. So it says to cut it out. Use a Q-tip with some water, wet the backing of it. You don't have to use a jelly stamper. I find it to be the easiest means of transportation from nothing to my nail. What am I even saying? Going in with some primer. You don't have to use a primer. You can use a sticky base coat, a gel base coat if you want to. I like primers. I feel like it makes the decal adhere really well, but it's still movable. So once that backing is released, I slide it off of the decal, and now I can stamp it right on my nail. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stamp it right on my nail. I'm going to move it to exactly where I want it. I'm going to clean up a little bit of excess that I left with some acetone, and all we have left to do is top coat. So this is a totally optional step. You don't have to do this, but for decals or stickers or anything that could be raised slightly, even a microscopic millimeter off the nail, I like to use a gel base first, and then I'll go in with my top coat. That way there's no texture to the nail. I know there are a bunch of you who do not like texture on the nail. That's what you're gonna do. I am trying for the first time the Dipalicious matte velvet top, and spoiler alert, it is incredible. I have this mani on right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and I'm touching the velvet nail, and it is so smooth. Some of you may not like the texture. I understand it's got not that rubbery feel. It's much softer than that, but I know that some of y'all had texture issues, and I completely understand. But if you're looking for a really great HEMA-free matte gel top coat, Dipalicious. I will leave all the links down in the box for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. Here's the matte top coat. Now I'm going to go in with my tried and true iGel Beauty No Wipe Glossy Gel Top. You super do not need to use gel liquids for this. You can use all dip products if you wanted to. For the decal, I would recommend going over the decal with your dip base and dip right into clear and encapsulate it. That way you can activate and not ruin anything when you go to do your top coat. But me, you know me, I'm a gel girl, so I'm doing my gel top coat. I do like to cap my free edges when I'm doing gel top coat, especially when I'm using peel off base coat. I just find that it keeps that mani intact a little bit longer. Now mind you, and I've had questions recently, peel base is not meant to last. It is not. It is peel off for a reason. So if you're looking to get a week or more out of a mani, I would skip on peel base. If you like to do your nails very often, I'm talking every few days, peel base might be a great option for you. And you can seal it in with gel top. You can do the same with your dip top if that's the route you wanted to go. As mentioned, gel top coat kind of girl. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna skip over the ring finger because that's mattified with the Dipalicious. Get my pinky done, get my thumb done. And then I'm gonna show you what my cat actually looks like in comparison to the decal, and y'all are going to be floored. So here's the finished look, and here's my kitty. Now look at the kitty and look at the decal. It is insane. I don't know what sorcery she's using over there, but I could not be happier. All these products, thumbs up from MK. Love every single one of them. The dimension in this red is absolutely beautiful. The velvet matte, perfect. The nail wraps, gorgeous. Chef's kiss. Thank you so much to 2 Chicks 1 Dip and to Christy from Kozmik Nails for sending products over for me to play with. Christy, I no words, still no words. Thank you guys for spending some time with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.